What's up guys, welcome to Onourshelf. I'm Jess and today I have this cool Asus OLED laptop here. Let's check it out. This Asus laptop has incredible features and an incredible design. The design is very sleek and truly looks amazing. The Asus Vivobook is an S15 15.6 inch 3K OLED laptop. The laptop has an OLED display and the resolution is 2880 by 1620. It's a fingerprint magnet, so please keep a microfiber towel nearby to wipe off the fingerprints. Besides that, it truly stands out with its metal design, and I love the black color. It looks really good. The matte texture on this laptop gives this laptop a premium feel. The laptop is well built and feels very solid. It is also lightweight. It weighs about 3 pounds. The display is large. It's a 15.6 inch OLED display. This Vivobook has a built-in front-facing camera with a microphone, and the Vivobook offers this really cool feature where it has a privacy shutter. The camera's resolution is 1080p and with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This laptop also has facial recognition. The Asus Vivobook offers a good range of ports. It has 2 USB 4.0 ports. It has a 3.5mm audio jack for headphones. It has 2 Type-C ports. It has an HDMI 2.1 port, and it also has a micro SD card reader. The screen looks good in all lighting conditions, but when the light is very bright or in front of a window, there is a glare. As far as performance goes, it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus processor, and it has a total storage capacity of 512 gigabytes, and the system memory RAM is 16 gigabytes. Using Geekbench, we got a CPU score of 9,670. And the GPU score, we got a score of single core 1,376, and the multi-core score was 6,651. Asus's performance is very powerful. The processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus. It has Dolby Atmos. So this Vivobook can handle basic gaming and web browsing and watching movies very well. This computer is great at doing all types of tasks, including multitasking and running the latest programs. However, if you are thinking about getting this computer for gaming, while it can handle basic games and slightly above basic games, this is not a gaming PC. So you'll be disappointed if you try to play some high power games on this laptop. But for most of your average low-end games, you should be fine. This laptop offers a smooth and very stunning and crisp visual experience. Offers true to life colors and very deep blacks. This Vivobook laptop is very thin and very slim, and it's highly portable. This is a really stylish laptop. Check out this backlit keyboard. Look at the colors. You can change the colors to red, green, blue, to any color you like. It looks really cool. This is not a touchscreen laptop. The sound quality is really good and the speakers are on the bottom. This laptop has Copilot. The AI feature is very fun. You can ask it anything you want and it'll help you. I like that the trackpad is very large. It's also very responsive. It feels smooth and very nice. The keyboard is also very nice. I like how large it looks. The keyboard, the buttons really feel good on your fingertips. They're very responsive too. So if you're a fast typer, you will love this keyboard. I wanted to point out that when you open and close the laptop, it feels really solid and it feels really good. The battery life is really good. It has a generous 70 watt hour. And to give you a perspective of how long your battery life would last, it lasts about a full workday. So the Vivobook S15 has a long battery life. The price for this laptop is pretty affordable. It ranges from $599 to $899. So try to catch it while it's on sale. The Asus Vivobook laptop is very stylish. The design is very nice and sleek. The performance is awesome. This laptop really stands out from its competitors. So if this is something you are interested in, I will put an affiliate link down below in the description box. This laptop offers excellent performance for doing various tasks. Again, it has an outstanding display and outstanding sound quality. This is a great laptop for work and entertainment purposes. All right, guys, thanks for watching our video. Please comment, like, and share this video. You know what to do. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.